Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn from Florals.com and today we have our kit wrap up for the first quarter of 2024. I hope you guys have been enjoying all the How to Kill a Kit with Style videos from everyone. I'll have all of their links down below for the wrap up videos to see what we've been up to over the last 3 months. But I wanted to do a quick share of all the pages I made. I did not bash this kit by any means. As many of you have seen on YouTube, we've got a couple layouts up right now, but I also have a ton of layouts over on Patreon, whether that be real-time process videos or whether that be exclusive process videos, but you can definitely check that out, link down below if you are interested. We did one 12 by 12 and then we'll dive into my mini album here. But this is a 12 by 12 I did of my cat Lily. How adorable is she? This was definitely a mix and match of this entire kit, using the Heidi Swapp Sun Chaser collection mostly, and then mixing in a ton of different embellishments. These ones are from the Simple Stories collection for Into the Wild, some Jen Hadfield washi tape, just a lot of fun stuff to throw together for this fun spring color scheme on this 12 by 12. Then we have the vacation album I was working on. Now this is definitely an album that's going to be a long-term project because there's a lot going on, but I shared a couple of these process videos last year on YouTube, but here is one of the new pages. This one's up on YouTube. If you have not seen it yet, definitely check it out. It'll be linked in the playlist below. Stamping on the photo is very scary, but it was a lot of fun and I'm glad I did it. Still have to fill in the journaling. Then we have this right side. The other ones I did last year. Some snacks and views, and you can see there's a big theme of stamping, and we'll go into my kit a little bit to explain what I'd been up to. Then we have these last 2 pages. This red, white, and blue theme was an accident, but it worked out really well. And then I have another spacer here to print more photos, but then we have our first day into Jamaica, introducing Jamaica for this trip, which I had so much fun doing some of these stamping and pocket page clusters and just putting stickers on top of photos, nothing too crazy, but a lot of fun stickering. And then I have some plans to do more back here. Like I have some photos printed, but like I mentioned, I do need to print some photos. So we did get some projects done. I definitely wanted to do more. I've been traveling, I've been busy. So it is what it is, and life does as it pleases. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that quick share. Again, I'll have the process videos available on YouTube, linked down below in the playlist, and then you can catch the rest of it over on Patreon if you're interested in any of it. But here is the kit to remind you. Let me bring this guy in. This is the organizer from IKEA. I think last time I did this, I dumped everything by accident. So slow and steady wins the race. But I didn't use a majority of this kit. I didn't get any empties. I did use a lot of different sequins. I used a lot of different stamps. The stamp was probably my favorite part. I got to use, for example, don't want to drop everything, this pack from Feed Your Craft that I've had for a while. I got to use a couple out of here. Brand new to me, hadn't used it, and finally got to use it. Similarly, tapping into the Heidi Swapp Sun Chaser collection. This is the Set Sail collection, which I only have a little bit of, but this stamp set is perfect, and I got to dive into that as well, including stamping on the photo. And then some tried and true, like this grid one from Kaiser Craft is great. I did use that. And then the Technique Tuesday ones, which are sliding about. These ones I also had not used and actually had forgotten I owned. You can see it's quite the small little guy, but had a lot of fun stamping with those too. So happy with my stamping progress. That is obviously something I've been trying to work on, use the products and tools I have in my stash. I will say my favorite of the month is probably this collection from Simple Stories. I do only have embellishments. This was part of me buying stuff during the Tuesday morning clearancing when all those stores were closing. But this sticker book is simply adorable. This was brand new, so if I flip through it, you'll kind of see. We used a handful of stickers here and there, so like half of there. Feels like I used more than what I'm seeing here. Phrase stickers, of course. A couple of those phrase stickers, some of the circle stickers, and then the palm trees and some of the florals. Really had a lot of fun with the florals, but for something that was brand new, I'm glad we got to tap into it. Some stuff remains untouched, like these are very themed for the crew, so I really do need to use those. Other untouched puffy stickers. We did try to use my sticker books, and these are the big sticker books. I used a little bit out of Dear Lizzie on some of those pocket pages, especially those like fun starbursts. You know, like these little icons are nice to use, but we're not close to emptying that one. And then I did do a planner spread over on Patreon with this sticker book. Again, it was in my kit, so why not? So while this was essentially brand new when I started, we're only missing a couple stickers here and there, but that is still progress. And for those of you who see, you know, people do these kits, any kit for that matter, like go in with a kit in a month or, you know, whatever time frame, and then they completely use it up. That's a lot of time and dedication, and not all of us have that. Some of us are jealous of those who have a lot of time to be able to sit down and craft, but it's okay if your dent in your stash is slow but steady. But I had a lot of fun looking at all this stuff. You know, touching my supplies is, I have an avalanche, is important nonetheless. And so we'll keep on keeping on with what we got here. I don't think I got close to any empties. I did use a couple of these Freckled Fawn labels. Close, but no cigar on that one. A couple more gone, though. I didn't get a chance to use this guy. It's on my list. Again, a Tuesday morning find. And I think this kit might stay together, and if you guys have not subscribed already, definitely do so. We'll have our next kit share coming up for the second quarter of 2024. And we have a different theme. So this past theme, if you have not seen it again, it'll be in the playlist. But this past theme was using a mood board. I did get a chance to use a couple of these on the 12 by 12 page. And I had a lot of fun with my mood board, and hopefully you guys did too. Getting closer on these little guys too. Again, closer, not done yet. But there's so much stuff in here. I made a large kit on purpose because I'm someone who likes options, and that's okay to do that for yourself. We've got some stickers stuck to each other. This was also a brand new item in this kit, and I only got a chance to use a handful of them as well. Let's see, none on this page. Okay, phrase stickers, check. I thought I'd used a title, but I must have put it back, so good news there. There's plenty more inspiration to come. We used a couple more of stickers off of here. I got to use a couple more alphabets off of this 6 by 12, and then the Sun Chaser sticker sheet here. I think I only used 1 or 2 off of, but again, worked well for what I needed it to. And completed pages are the progress we are looking for. But like I said, I won't go through this whole kit because it is pretty much the exact same as you saw it in the kit share. So I'll have product links down below in case you're interested in this kit. And I'll also have all the other members of How to Kill a Kit with Style for this quarter linked down below so you guys can check everybody out and what they've made. It's been a blast. I hope you guys have enjoyed it as well. And let me know if you'd like to see more tropical pages. But we are doing something fun, something a little bit older for our next kit. So stay tuned for that. And as always, there's more content, videos, and behind the scenes vlogs over on Patreon if you're interested. But thank you guys so much for watching this layout share, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.